check out Nashville since we're going along the way. So we're going to walk down to Broadway. Hopefully don't get robbed in the meantime. Gonna go to the Strip and get our honky tonk on.
I think our first bar that we're going to is called the Honky Tonk or the
Redneck Riviera?
The Slippery Southern Saloon. And ask them to play Are You Sure Hank Done It This Way? Waylon Jennings song.
Waylon Jennings.
We went out, we saw a little bit of country music. Well, cheers from Nashville. Oh, that was the sweetest strawberry wine.
Smooth as Tennessee whiskey.
This is the end of the first part of our journey. We are heading out to Steamboat Springs. Essentially, that is the next leg, next destination, because there's heavy snow the next 6 days. We're not going to just run out there. We've got some good frisbee golf courses along the way. We're going to check out Kansas. Oh, hey there. Well, the second part of our journey has been well on its way. Last we left you guys, we were in Nashville, Tennessee, getting a little honky-tonk on until it closed down. We're taking it easy. We're stopping at frisbee golf courses along the way. Yesterday we played in Missouri, and today we're crossing Kansas off our list. Got a 20 hole ahead of us. We're going to see how it goes. There was a warning. There is snow on the course. It is kind of intimidating, but we're going to proceed with caution.
There's also wind.
Ah.
Oh, God. What's on your shoes, Mike?
You're kidding me. I landed in that thing?
For the second time in about 2 days, Michael steps in a huge poop. And there's a footprint here. And
look at the greasiness of this.
What do you think laid that, Mike?
I don't know. God, it had to be a huge, like a Holstein cattle at least. Damn.
Those shoes are ruined. We're gonna have to throw those away.
We're finally on the edge of Kansas. We've drove throughout the day. We had a really good breakfast at Rick's restaurant. We played some frisbee golf. Michelle beat me by 1 point. And we are going to continue our drive into the night, probably at the foothills of the Rockies. And then we can have a nice scenic drive tomorrow. Maybe even get a little riding in tomorrow afternoon in Steamboat. Well, good morning there. We just woke up.
Hi.
Oh, hey, there's Michelle in the back.
I haven't woke up.
She's not out of bed yet, but we're just getting ready to depart. Spent the evening in a Love's parking lot.
The worst love.
Probably the greasiest Love's we've ever been at. Lots of homeless people hanging out and people that want to just strike up a conversation with you as they're sleeping in their cars. But we didn't get hassled in the night. We kept the windows all locked up tight, closed everything up with the blinds. And now we're in the foothills of the Rockies. Today's going to be a very interesting drive. Another 4 more hours, we'll be in Steamboat if we don't stop for another round of mountain discing. There's the first signs of the Colorado foothills. There be the smoky old mountains and billing gnome boys, and the white truck making a lot of noise. Popping over hills and looking at foothills and smelling the hillbillies' feet. They don't want to go where they don't want to roam. That's what you gotta know.
We're in Canyon City, which makes sense that we're going into the foothills. We're gonna go up the canyon, snake our way up the canyon, through the mountain pass.
So I just had to point out how beautiful our van's shadow looks right now.
Yeah?
Wait till we get a nice close up. All right, now look at this. Look at the oh, there he comes. There he comes. Hi, how's it going? Hi. There's my arm. Hi, guys. I'm just gonna enjoy the shadows as they come out. Exciting changes. We've just made it to Breckenridge.
Breckenridge.
We're not, that it's not part of our pass this year, but it means that we're in the mountainous territory. And then we're gonna be continuing to head out to Steamboat. We're gonna do a little bit of riding tonight. Just a little bit, just to warm up the legs.
Well, we are winding our way down Rabbit Ears Pass right now. How many miles?
7 miles downhill.
7 miles to Steamboat Springs.
The steamboat! Steamboat!
Well, we finally got to Steamboat and our goal endpoint. We got about 4 hours of riding in today. It's closing down, it's about 4 o'clock. It was a pretty good first day. I'm sure we'll be back here tomorrow. See what it looks like with some fresh groom lines.
Well, for those of you who feel like, oh, those poor guys living in the van, don't worry too much. We're actually living quite well. We're trying something new today. We decided to grill up some potatoes, and then we've got some sausage, pepper, and onions. New combination there.
Nice.
We're gonna top it with some cheese.
And add a couple scrambled eggs for the extra protein. And there we have it.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
It's nighttime here in Steamboat. I'm whispering because we just parked the van for the night. We gotta kind of keep quiet so that we don't get kicked out of this parking spot. We're gonna stay a little hush-hush in here at the bed. But before I went to bed, I got all these cords here so I can charge up some random gear, some headlamps, some chips for some music, and I just brush our teeth and everything. Got my jammies on and about to head to bed. So good night.
Oh, wait a second. We've got some, I was probably supposed to turn there, wasn't I?